Welcome to Nanoptix video on how to install static installation kit. As you see, you'll need one piece of copper tape, one copper clip, as well as 2 screws and a 1/16 drill bit. Okay, on installation, you're going to place the copper tape on the side of the printer, like so. Folding it over the front and around the back corner, shown on here. And you'll peel the tape off the back of the copper clip and place it onto the static tape and pre-drill your hole with 2 screws. Simply then take a Phillips number 1 screwdriver and put the 2 screws in. The very last step is to confirm that the printer does have, you want to remove the tray. The printer does have the inside tape seen here. If not, this will also be included in the kit. This is made to put on the inside of the frame in order to prevent static from the mech right here on the roller. Thank you.